How's it going, guys? I'm Briar. I'm gonna be your whitewater paparazzi for today. We're gonna be going down the lower New, gonna be hitting some huge waves, smashing into some even bigger holes, and all along the way I will be chasing you and videoing all the epicness. Let's go meet you guys. Ready to get wet and wild? Yeah. Who's the lucky guy? Who's sitting up front? There we go. You're gonna get the wettest. Woo! This is Surprise Rapid, our first class for the day. It's a big old hole at the bottom of this long stretch of falling water. You guys are going to start up here and start falling on in and hopefully crush right into the meat of this huge hole. Maybe some of you might flip on over. Let's have a look-see. gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. In the fields of bodies burning, as the war machine keeps turning. Death and hatred to mankind, poisoning their brainwashed minds. Oh Lord, yeah. That was a big old hole. You guys smashed through it. On to lunch and bigger rapids. Here we are, guys, at the upper railroad hole. This is a class 4 hole waiting for you guys to disappear in the bowels of it. We got a big old bridge downstream, our third bridge of the day, old train bridge. Let's see how you guys do with this kind of hole. Whoopee! Time will tell on their power minds, making war just for fun. Treating people just like balls and chess. Wait till the judgment day comes. Yeah. Upper railroad making her look easy. Yes. This is the meat grinder. All this water coming into this river right bank is getting pushed into these caves that I'm standing on right here and then over in that bank. Oh yeah, you don't want to be swimming over here, guys. This is a 3-set rapid. You got upper behind that big rock, that's Whale Rock, Middle Keeney, and then Lower Keeney. You guys will be flowing in the left side here, hitting some big waves. See how you guys do. See guys have it. You have entered the lower gorge. Look how small the river has gotten. All those huge, intimidating rocks. Yeah, you guys are amongst it all now. Sit back and soak it all in.
Seasons don't fear the reaper, nor do the wind, the sun, or the rain. Come on, baby, don't fear the reaper. Baby, take my hand. Don't fear the reaper. We'll be able to fly. Don't fear the reaper. Baby, I'm your
I'll see you downstream. Here you are, guys. Beautiful.